PeaRoy. I didn't see you standing there. How you doing today?
Well, hey, Mr. Rick. I'm all right. It's just awful hot.
Yeah, you're right. It
hot.
has been awful hot. In fact,
Yeah.
it's supposed to be bad weather today, too. It's supposed to be hot as the devil, then it's supposed to rain, supposed to have bad weather.
I heard the same thing.
Well, it's been so hot. Have you, do you know any hot jokes? It's so hot.
Well, I do. Why don't you tell some?
Well, let me tell. I know a couple of them. Let me tell you a couple.
All right. Go ahead.
Well, it's so hot that I saw a bird pulling a worm out of the ground with oven mittens on. Yeah, oven mittens. It's so hot that they asked the Statue of Liberty to put her arm down.
That's too funny there now. That's bad.
And of course, you
That's
know
bad.
the one about it's so hot that the chickens are laying hard-boiled eggs. I heard one say
Hard-boiled eggs.
I heard somebody say, it's so hot, my chickens is laying omelets.
Omelet.
Funny.
Well,
I got one more.
I know a couple.
It's so hot
Oh, okay.
that the bums are standing on the side of the road with their signs that say, "We'll work for shade." I know these
We'll
are
work for
dad
shade.
jokes.
I know these are.
What
these are
rhymes
bad
with
jokes,
dad?
you know.
Bad. That's right. These are bad jokes.
Bad,
These are
right.
dad jokes.
Well, I hope everybody else
All right, you
understands
tell me
that.
more.
All right, well, Jehovah's Witnesses have decided to go to telemarketing. It's a hot. Yeah.
Telemarketing. Oh, I ain't thought of that
Listen,
one.
it's a hot. I saw a couple of trees chasing a
You
dog.
saw trees chasing a dog? Boy, that's desperate, ain't it?
Listen, it's a hot. I saw a dog and a cat chasing each other, and both of them was walking.
Now that sounds like I had a dog that would probably have done that.
Yeah.
All right, well, tell me your long joke. All right?
Okay. All right. Well, one time there was this fella, and he decided to marry his old sweetheart.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And so
Got married. Okay.
yeah. So after the marriage, after the honeymoon and all, he was sitting there and well, yeah, he was a golfer. He had his golf stuff out there, and he was cleaning everything up, and he was getting ready for us next day to go play golf. His wife walks up and says, "Hey, look here, honey. I think this would be a good time for you to sell them golf clubs so that you and I could spend some more time together." And he looked there. He said, "Wait a minute, you sound like my ex-wife."
Yeah.
She said, "Wait a minute, you never told me you was married before." He said, "I wasn't."
Yeah, I know. He ain't gonna put up with that, is
he ain't gonna sell them clubs.
That's
Yeah, I
pretty
thought
funny. All right, well, let me tell you
All
mine.
right, go ahead.
All right, well, there was this feller,
Uh-huh.
and he's got him $2, and he decides to go
$2.
track
Uh-huh.
to dog races.
Okay.
He's gonna do some betting.
Okay.
He only had $2. So he goes up to the window and he looks up there and he says, "Okay, long shot, $2. It'll pay off $18." He said,
$18.
"I want to go with that dog right there, $18."
Okay. That sounds good.
After the race, he won
Oh.
$18.
Well, good for him.
So he goes, "Wow, that's pretty good."
That's good.
He said, "I'm gonna take you." He goes back up to the window and he says, $18. Long shot, that'll pay off $128. $18 ain't that much. Put it on there.
Oh, man.
Goes to the race, comes back. He won his he won his money.
Okay.
$128.
$128.
So all right. He said, "Man, this is working out."
Yeah.
So he looked up there. He's got a long shot. He said, "I don't know if I want." It's been working before. Here, put this $128. It'll win me $777.
No.
It says. All right.
Wow.
So he goes to race and comes back. He couldn't wait. He said, "Man, I can't believe it. My dog won."
Oh.
And so he got his $777. So he goes up there again. He said, "You know," he looks up there. He could win $1 million.
$1 million.
In fact, it was $1,900,000 and something. So he takes his $777. You know what? Let's let it go. Let it go. He goes to the race. He's really unsure about it this time. You know, he's going to that rocket dog. And sure enough, man, he won $1,900,000 something on that.
$1,900,000.
There was one more race left in the afternoon. He should have took his money and left.
Took his money and gone home. I would.
But he said, you know what? I came in here with $2.
Hey.
Let's put this $1 million on it. He had a chance of winning $15,900,000 and something. Let it ride.
Yeah.
And now he's done got a group around him. They go down to the track, you know. Here's the horses. They're off. He said, come on, man. Come on. I mean, his dog is running, and starts going.
Come on now.
Slower and slower. And
Oh, no.
he lost his money.
Oh, no.
Everybody's patting him on the back and
Yeah.
saying, "Sure, we're sorry." And everything.
That's a shame.
So what to do? So anyway, he went on back home. He goes inside and his buddy's sitting there on the couch and he says, "Well, how'd you do at the track race?"
Yeah.
He said, I lost $2.
Oh. Hey, what do you do, right?
I don't think I'd have been that calm either.
I know, I wouldn't have been that calm.
Woo, man.
I wouldn't have been that calm. Woo-wee.
Sometimes it just bees like that.
I know, sometimes it just beats like that.
All right, let's get ready for this weather.
All
I
right.
see it's starting to cloud up a little bit.
Yeah, it is. It's already hot.
You be sweet.
Yeah, big squeeze. I will.